All right, folks, I'm back. Two vehicles on the same day. What do you know about that? All right, this is gonna be a 2008 Ford Crown Victoria street appearance package, former commander's unit, light ice blue from factory, with 115,000 miles and only 91 idle hours. Folks, that is correct. 91 idle hours on this bad boy. Vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the country. Folks, as you can see on this particular unit, I decided to keep the windows natural, and I didn't want to put tint. Every now and then I do get requests from customers saying, hey man, can you not tint the windows on a vehicle here and there? All right, I decided not to do it in this one. So here it is. Vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. Folks, light ice blue from factory. She looks great. I couldn't even see scratches on the vehicle. On the body of the car, she's slick. I can't see no scratches whatsoever. I did see some minor scuff marks on the rear bumper. Right there actually. Perfect timing. Right there. You guys can kind of see it right there. Alright. That is about it. This is going to be an E85 flex fuel unit. Okay. As you can see, vehicle has been registered to my name and it does have plates. I do have the California title and smog to go with this particular unit. So yes, I'm all ready to go. What you see is what you're gonna get. No BS, no scams, no games. Look at that, guys. Wow. I do have a brand new set of takeoffs on this particular unit. The ones that came with the car, they were about maybe 50% life on them. I didn't like them. I called my supplier for my tires, and he had a super nice set in semi-new conditions, and I told him I wanted them, and price went up. Let me tell you, what I used to pay for my tires, now I'm paying $200 more than what I was comfortable paying before. I got him done. Don't worry, guys, I got you. I do have a new set of OEM Ford headlamps. The ones that came with the car, they were yellowish and oxidated, and I replaced those. I don't like the way they look, and I'm not gonna waste my time cleaning them up. So you got a new set here. Once again, original equipment. Folks, I must tell you that there is one cutout here for a spotlight. This is how the car came to me. You do have the cutout here in the door, and the hole has been covered with silicone, so there is no air or water leaking into the cabin of the vehicle. All right, he came to me this way, so I'm leaving it alone. No holes on the body whatsoever. I mean, aside from the little cutout on the door, folks, I give this car a 9 out of 10. Just because of the little cutout. Otherwise, I will give you a 10. Defrost side view mirrors here. Okay, that's a feature that you don't see every day. Now let's go inside. As you can see, I do have a matching interior. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. Carpet floors with matching floor mats. Yes, rear doors are fully functional from inside and out of the car, so we are good to go in that department. This is going to be a Zebra 5 C5 rear axle 327 open, especially designed for highway driving, and it goes great with your MPG. Perfect driver's side seat, perfect passenger side seat. Let's go inside real quick. Let's get this up so you can see what it looks like. All right, this is the interior, folks. Perfect dash trim, no holes on it whatsoever. It does have a brand new used ashtray assembly. When I first got the vehicle, it was just an empty space. Lucky for me, I had one here that's matching to the strong gray interior, and I got it covered. So I had that installed. Well, I actually did it myself. I do have working cruise control, electric retractable pedals here. All right, one key only. This is all I got. Let's fire up. Pressure lights off. It does have 115,000 miles, folks. So far, I reset the clock, so ever since I put the tires on, I've only driven it 20 miles. 91 idle hours. Is it clear enough here for you guys? Okay, 91 idle hours. Let me backtrack. 115,000. So far, I've driven it 20 miles since I had the tires installed. 91 idle hours. That is it. Stereo does work, and I do not own the rights to the song. Stereo does work, folks. Once again, I do not own the rights to the song, so let's turn that off. Working, take a light. Working, map lights. And this is where everybody laughs. Honk does work. What can I say? Let's go to the trunk now. Look at that paint. Wow. And this is the trunk. Clean, big trunk. I do have a what it appears to be a brand new steel wheel and tire with floor jack and hold down pan inside. Once again, this is a matching full-size spare wheel and tire. Okay, this I'm lucky to get a spare tire. This came with the car, so I'm leaving that alone. Oh, did I not open the hood? Sorry, let me backtrack here. I'm getting distracted. I mean, the car is gorgeous. I'm just looking and looking, and I can't find any red flags in it. She's almost perfect. 9 out of 10, just because of the freaking headlamp, spotlight hole over there. All right, folks, as you can see, the vehicle has been completely serviced and detailed. She is turnkey ready to go anywhere to her new home or owner. Super quiet, nice and strong engine. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced. I do have a new Motorcraft Platinum spark plug, full synthetic 520 engine oil service. Motorcraft transmission fluid and filter was done on this particular unit, so yes, I took care of that. Nice and cold AC. I do have a what it appears to be a brand new interstate battery that came from the department. I didn't have to do that. Vehicle's in immaculate running condition and shape, folks. However, before I forget, the dry belt, I did notice a few dry cracks on them, on the belt. So I'm gonna be replacing that, not today, but it will get done. I do have those here on standby in my cabinets, and I can just replace it in less than 10 minutes. But yes, dry belt will be replaced by me. I do have brand new front and rear brakes as well on this particular unit. Rear differential was checked, and it does have a new fuel filter before I forget. Once again, folks, I set you up for success on another great looking vehicle. Let me see, am I forgetting anything here real quick? Folks, I don't think I am. Super solid, looks great. Light eyes blue from factory. The paint on this vehicle, I give it a 9 out of 10 as well, just because of the one little scuff mark on the rear bumper. Aside from that, ladies and gentlemen, this vehicle is perfect. All right, if you like what you see here, please do not hesitate to give me a call or text me, and let's go over the details if you are interested in purchasing it. Folks, I also know that I'm not the cheapest guy in the market, but you know what, you are being taken care of over here. Also, I do have some scuff marks here on the bumper, bottom left. You can't really see them, but it's there, okay? Once again, folks, I gotta let you know everything I'm seeing. I'm pretty straightforward and I'm pretty black and white, so you're getting it firsthand. All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys have yourself a blessed week ahead of you. And once again, if you are interested in this particular unit, feel free to give me a call or text me with serious inquiries only, please. I'm not here to waste your time in any type of in any kind of way, shape, or form. So please do the same for me. All right, thanks for watching. This is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. God bless. Take care.